Hello Jonathan, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Yamaha FZ09 and the silver color with the blue rims. This motorcycle is available at this time. It comes with the turn signals, it's aftermarket, puzzle levers, have a windshield, and also they have a undertail kit, integrate tail at the back, brand new tires, and fully safety certified. This motorcycle we took as a trade, and we know the previous customer, and the price right now is for $74,888 plus HST and licensing. Kilometers is 5890 kilometers. And if you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.